Today we want to build this using OnShape. This is in inch, so we will create a new drawing. And please take a screenshot of this if you want to try to build with me. Alright, I'm going to put this on my second screen so I can look at it while I'm building, and let's get started. We're using OnShape, we're using the free subscription. I'm going to go to Create, Document, Homework 2. Okay, we're going to use our front plane. So let's hide right and top, just left click 2 times, hit Y. Let's pull this over, left click, drag, now hit front. Okay, now I want to start drafting on this. I want to start sketching on this surface right here. So hit sketch and sketch on this plane. It creates a sketch. We could actually create a rectangle, go from here to here, and we'll hit D for dimension. So distance from here to here is 2.75. Distance from here to here is 1.5. And we'll want another rectangle. We're gonna remove some material. So we're gonna hit D. Distance from here to here is 1 inch. Distance from here to here is 0.5. And we can use our trim function, or I'll show you where the trim is right here. Click there and just kind of draw over those two. Okay, now we want to add a circle to inside of here. Let's click on the circle, click here, we'll hit D for dimension, 0.5, and we'll center that. So we will go here to here is 1 inch, here to here is 0.5. Okay, and we can add our fillets now if we want. Here's fillet number 1 and fillet number 2. Okay, didn't like that. Let's go back. Fillet number 1, left click. Fillet number 2, left click. Let's escape to get out of that. All right. Clean this up a tiny bit. All right, so now that's that. We're gonna hit finish. We're gonna rotate this using the right mouse button. Go over here to extrude, grab this, and we're gonna flip it the other way. 1 inch, solid, new, 1 inch, blind. Okay. So now we want to work on a slot on the surface right here. So let's go to sketch, that surface, we'll click on top. Now we want to create a circle. It's going to be 0.5. Just get it roughly there. 0.5. D for dimension. Change that to 0.5. Click there, 0.5. Let's hit L for line. Or go over here. Click there. Click here. We want that point right there. We want this point right here. Okay. And M for trim. So we're trimming. We're going to trim this, and that trimmed. Okay. Now we got to do a dimension. Let's position this guy to here. Dimension this to here, 0.5. And then we want a dimension from here to here, 0.75. Okay, finish this guy. We're going to right mouse button, rotate that. Let's poke this through. We'll use extrude. Solid, new, remove, solid, remove. And we'll click on this here. If you can't get that, you got to rotate it. Maybe you got to click it there. We're going all the way through, or you can go to up to face, and we'll tell it we want it to go up to this face. So if this ever gets thicker, it will go to the face always. Green check. All right, and let's add 2 fillets. Fillet 1, fillet 2, and they're 0.5, perfect. All right, let's hit Y, hide this plane, and there's our piece. Okay, let's do some drafting on it. We'll create a drawing. We're gonna do an inch. All right, we're gonna throw down, click on part 1. Click down there. And it's projecting from that view. All right, we're going to click on this and delete this guy. Click on that and delete that guy. Now we want to add a isometric view. Let's click on this guy right here, isometric. Drop him. All right, let's start pulling this up. We'll get this cleaned up a little bit. There we go. Pull this up. Okay, let's go to D for dimension, or click here. Let's go for total length of this is 2.75. We'll pull that up. Radius of 5, diameter 0.5. I'm sorry, radius of 5, diameter 0.5. Distance to here 1 inch. Distance here to here 0.5. Here to here 1.5. We got 1 inch from here to here. 1 inch from here to here. We got distance from here to here 0.75. Okay, that's fine. We can keep that dimension, and we can keep that dimension too. Just get them out of the way. D for dimension. Click on that guy, 0.75. Perfect. For cleanliness, I'm going to move that one. All right, and that concludes our video. Thanks for watching. Bye.